There's a lot of news out there saying that Turo is slowing down. I actually have been saying that we should expect slower months to come. However, August has been the best month I've had in Turo so far. In this video, I'm going to talk about the things I've been doing to ensure that August is the best month I've had in the platform so far. It is Turo Friday, guys. Every Friday, I'm posting a video about Turo. So if you are a Turo host or if you're thinking and joining the Turo platform, well, you, my friend, are in the right channel because I'm an all-star host on Turo. I have over 75 trips overall, and pretty much I love doing Turo and sharing the tips and advice that I get from other hosts and just experience in general that I get. So if you are interested in learning more about what I do or following my channel, feel free to subscribe and smash that like button because it does help the YouTube algorithm, I guess, recommend this video to others who may be interested in becoming a Turo host soon. Also, a great way to help my channel is to simply watch the whole video because you will often see that there's some useful information in between and towards the end of the video. But with that being said, let's go ahead and start. So in summary, guys, I do want to make it clear the most important thing you want to do to make sure that your business in Turo does not face a major slowdown is price. I keep getting emails from Turo. I keep getting emails from my actual Turo representative, that I guess the host success representative that reaches out to us. And they've been saying it's competitive pricing. Hertz, Enterprise, Avis, all these rental companies are gonna try to fight market share from Turo. They're finally seeing Turo as a threat. And Turo hosts, I mean, you're competing towards Hertz, you're competing towards other Turo hosts. So you want to make sure that you're doing your homework and you want to make sure that your price is priced accurately, and you probably are going to have to be visiting those market pricing a little bit more frequent than you're used to. This tip right here has been the main reason why my car, at least the Tesla Model 3, has been booked pretty busy. Because again, I'm not too worried about, am I getting the most I can right now? That's probably for holidays. That's probably for Thanksgiving, for winter break. That's going to be when I'm probably going to be leaving my prices high so that I can get the best profit at the end of the day. But right now, it's just a matter of, getting all those people who are just looking for a car that's going to be affordable, that's going to be fun to drive. And so that's what I'm trying to fulfill. But I want you to show you how I did for the month of August. So my earnings for the month of August was $2,006 with $402 worth of reimbursements. In July, I only had $795, $1,093, and this only for one car. So if I actually put the Tesla is the one pulling all the bread in here. The Toyota Prius has only been booked once in March. And so that's why I'm saying it's the best month so far, because I have never been able to reach $2,006 ever, not in 2021, not in 2020. And I mean, it's just crazy to think that I was able to rent my Tesla for a worth of $2,006. I only paid $584 for the monthly payment, with insurance probably $800. So it was a pretty good month. Definitely a busy month, and that's what I want to show you guys here. So in August, this is how my bookings looked like. I did get a booking that carried forward from the previous month, so I guess that could be maybe a little cheating, if you call it that way. In August, as you guys see, this is one of the main important things that you want to keep in mind. When I first had the car on August, I noticed this big gap suddenly, and this is where I started to notice that the pricing I had was no longer going to work. I needed to do something. And if you're a Turo host, you need to be very aware of this. And I was very aware because for right there 4 days, I did not have a booking. Nobody wanted the car, and the car was just parked because I use the Prius. I personally use the Prius. I like to keep the Tesla clean so that it's ready. If I get a booking, last minute booking, I don't have to go back and, wash it or anything like that. So the car just sat at the shop doing nothing. And so at that point, I was like, okay, we got to review our pricing strategy. And I went aggressive. I went below, I always was the lowest priced Tesla out there. And with that strategy, I was able to cut the inefficiency, right? So my car, as you can see, on the weekends, never had a problem to book on the weekends. during the weekdays from Monday through Friday or Monday through Thursday, it was always a bit of a challenge, but I was able to get a booking here. I was able to get another longer booking here. I was able to get something here, you know, and so I was able to maintain that rhythm right here. This day was crazy. I mean, I only had a small gap. This guy returned the car late, not charged, dirty. So I had only a couple of hours to go charge it, clean it, but we were able to pull through and we made it work. But it was fun. It was great, you know, and obviously we were able to make some really good numbers. September, as you guys can see at the bottom, it's looking similar. We're starting to get some bookings. Still a little slower. I do expect September, October, November, December to be a lot slower than what we've seen in the summer months. But, you know, just something to keep in mind. I'm very aware of my pricing, and that's something that you guys should be aware too. All right, guys, well, that was it. I mean, in summary, really, if you just skipped the whole video and you just got here, in summary, this is what we talked about. If you want to make the best out of your Turo host profile, you want to make sure that you're competitive with pricing, that you're comparing yourself with other hosts that have similar vehicles to you, not just the exact same model. You know, in my case, if I have an electric vehicle, there's a lot more electric vehicles out there that I need to start comparing myself, like the Ford Mustang Mach-E, right? Because eventually, if there's only 5 people into renting cars and one of them wants an electric vehicle, well, you know, if I'm losing that customer to a Mach-E, well, the Mach-E is technically my competitor, and I need to make sure that I'm competitive enough, or at least, you know, finding what's wrong and why are people choosing a Mach-E versus a Tesla Model 3. But with that being said, guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was not too confusing. I mean, it's also great to be able to share how I've been able to grow through Turo with just one car. Again, I know a lot of people have been reaching out saying that they have fleets now and they've been buying a whole bunch of cars. So I'm excited for them. I do want you to be very aware that, you know, we do expect still some slower months ahead. So just be cautiously investing and do your due diligence, you know, make sure that there's enough market share, market demand coming up. Because the last thing I want is for you to go out there and buy a car and then the car's just gonna be parked outside and you're gonna have to pay that bill and insurance at the end of the month. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I'll see you guys next time. If you did enjoy this video, please help me with smashing that like button, subscribe. Again, every Friday I'm posting about Turo, and again, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.